got new gift, and here is the handy gift, and Andy is now to open the wrap and open it and show everyone what you have now. Come on, very good, very good. No, he know how to open that. Uh, what is in it, Andy? I think what is it? He's very happy to see Andy. You're happy? You tell what is that? To open that blocks. It's alphabet blocks. Oh my God, you like it? And you like it so much?
Yeah.
And who has give you this gift?
Papa.
Yeah. Okay, Athar. I think you like it so much. And what is it? What letter it is? And which number it is? Hello, Andy. Look at here and tell these. My God, so many alphabets he has, and he has so many numbers. And you said, "Na, Papa, I like this. That's why I bought it for you." H, and you like H?
Yeah.
What is it, baby?
My block.
Oh my God! Alphabet you like most, baby?
X.
H, and H for
Hand.
hen. Andy, you like that surprise?
Yeah.
How much?
So much.
Andy, what you are going to make now?
Take out.
You take out these letters,
Yeah.
and I think you are trying to make something. Tell what you make. See.
That's funny every day.
Okay, my baby, that's is for you, and thanks